Today I want to review the Gorilla 8 cubic feet wheelbarrow with 2 wheels. This wheelbarrow is probably the most expensive one in its category, the 2 wheels, and by $50. Usually they go for $150, this is $200, but the difference in quality is huge. One of the things that I like in this wheelbarrow is capacity, which is 8 cubic feet. I mean, you can compare how big it is with my side. It's just kind of like a little swimming pool. I mean, are you kidding me? So let me show you a few construction features that makes this wheelbarrow superior. So I bought this one in Tractor Supply, and if you see others in Tractor Supply under a sunny day and you move this plastic, it's gonna give. This one is super solid, mainly because it is thicker and it has a lot more of these ribs that make the whole structure more rigid. All the hardware is plated, which will prevent corrosion over time. In many wheelbarrow, this area right here is just a bent plate. This one is bent, and then there's a weld here at the top and at the bottom, so much more stronger. This yellow plastic here is not just a trim. These are actually a couple of handles, really nice, so when you're like tilting the wheelbarrow like this, you can just push forward and just empty completely, so it's actually kind of comfortable. This wheelbarrow actually can be converted from 2 wheel to 1 wheel, just moving one of these wheels and putting it here in the center. I believe there is a axle conversion kit for this feature. Actually, I was in between buying a wheelbarrow with 2 wheels or a cart, but I ended up getting the wheelbarrow because it's much comfortable and easy to move it in the orchard. But also this one with 2 wheels is very easy to move as a cart as well. So when walking around, you just can pull it this way, which is very comfortable as well. Alright, so let's start out. This is the reason why I like the huge volume, because to transport mulch, which is not very heavy, is perfect. I'm just covering with mulch the lanes between where I'm planting the veggies. Go for the second load. Okay, all these mulch help prevent weeds in between the rows and place where I can walk. Actually, I really like the 2 wheel configuration. It's pretty handy. And if you wonder from where I'm getting all these mulch, this is through the app called Chip Drop, where arborists working in the area, wherever you live, they're looking for places where they can unload all the wood chips that they've been processing during the day. Otherwise, they have to bring it to a processing facility where they have to pay. This is free for them. It's always good to leave them a tip, because you just get in, and in my case, I have to drive deep into the property and dump it whatever I want, so it's good. They're actually really good with that. And usually you're gonna get mainly wood chips, and sometimes it comes with some logs inside, like this one. But in this area, most of the trees they are either pine, but mainly oak, and oak is pretty good for firewood, so it doesn't bother me. Yes, this is mainly oak and some pine needles. And as you can see, with the two-wheel configuration, the wheelbarrow kind of like rocks left and right a little bit, not like with one wheel, but not a biggie. All right, see ya.
Look at the fava beans. They're doing pretty good.
So if you're in the market for two-wheel wheelbarrow, look no more. The Gorilla 8 cubic feet works really good, and quality-wise is much better than competitors like from Husky or the ones that I've seen in Home Depot, Lowe's. This is really a beast. Thank you for watching.